Hello, today I have a long dress and it has lining inside and this is on the back. It's open from here to the waist line here, and my customer didn't want to show her bras when she wear it, so I need to find a way to close this part. So she needs to try it on, and then we have two options. The shortcut way is we block this one completely and just open here enough for the head to get in. But in this case, you have to make sure she can put on and take off easily. And if we can't do that way, we have to put the zip along here. But in this case, I pin it and she can take it off easy, so I will do the shortcut way. Okay, this is the outside, this is the inside here. Yeah. My purpose is when I close this one, I want this part look straight and flat and look normal from new to the old one. I put my hand here, and the most important is the first stitching. You need to make it very rear here, and then you close this one, and then the second one you have to do the same. So okay, I make it very rear here. If you make it too deep, you can join the new one and the old one, and now you can see the old one and new one exactly the same. The old one and the new one stay in one line, put together, and then you do normal like this. You will see the very different from the old one and the new one. So now I want to show you how to do by sewing machine, and by sewing machine I still do the same. Okay, the first stitching I have to put the needle down from here to here. So it'll okay, it looks very nice now, and then you can see the line from here down here. It looks very normal. Okay, thank you very much for your watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to get my new video from my job every day. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.